In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. So here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet 1505 driver and then hit the enter key, and that way you would be navigated to the result. So please proceed to the first result where you can see this one. Click on it and you would be navigated to the support.hp.com website where you can get the printer driver, which is HP LaserJet P1505. So please scroll down and navigate to driver product installation software and proceed to the basic drivers, and please click on this download aligning to it. Once you have downloaded it, please navigate to the download icon being placed at the right top and please proceed to this one. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Once you are here, just select this one, this application tab, and make a right click and go with this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on the paste. Now, once you have moved the application here to the desktop, simply double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract this application. So click on it, go with extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once done, navigate directly to the Start Here icon and make a right click and click on the desk settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the list of the option and please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Here, please proceed to printers and scanners. Click on it, and eventually you can get an option like this. Please proceed with Add Device. So kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And please choose for other local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port and click on Next. Once done, go with Have Disk and click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the click on it, and please scroll down on the list and proceed to this one. Double tap to it, select this one and click on Open and click on the OK. So here, what you need to do is you need to locate for or this one, which is the HP LaserJet 1505. Okay, and then click on the next. Once you're good, click on next, and it will now start in the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.